suffer from flaky tests, you're not alone. Even Google has reported that they have a continual rate of 1.5% of all their test runs reporting a flaky result. Everyone is suffering from flaky tests. You're not alone. But there aren't really many good standard solutions for rectifying them that exist yet. Most everyone has their own in-house solutions. So today, I want to show you tools and techniques to help you avoid the wasted time and reduce confidence in your testing that arises from flaky tests. First, I'll show you methods to prevent unnecessary failed builds, but that won't be enough. So we'll look at tools we've developed at Gradle that help you proactively detect, prioritize, and then analyze and fix those flaky tests. First, I want to spend a little bit of time explaining why I believe that flaky tests are an area worth investing in. So I want to remind folks that a flaky test we define as a test that reports success and failure given the same execution environment, semantically the same. Now, obviously, flaky tests waste time directly by causing unnecessary build failures. It really saddens me to see generally excellent engineers and teams in rerun and suffer mode because their flaky tests often hold their CI changes hostage. Now, but less obvious is the degree to which flaky tests can poison your culture by reducing confidence in your test suite. You can imagine ignoring all those emails that you get from test failures that were obviously not your own. Even great engineers and teams are not immune to flaky tests if they're not tracked or fixed. By the way, this chart that you're seeing is one I made 4 years ago from Gradle's own release pipeline. And we started reporting on it, and as soon as we could quantify the problem, engineers and leaders stepped up to make changes. We instituted something called a Flaky Fix-It Day, where everyone went and fixed flaky tests. And immediately thereafter, we reduced the top 10 worst flaky tests, and we saw immediate improvement, significant improvement. And you know what's even better? After that, we saw an improvement in the team's culture of testing. New flaky tests became quick targets, and we scheduled regular fix-its that kept our CI pipelines and testing healthy. And as an ultimate result, the team now builds and releases more often, which is really what we're going for here.